What are you doing up there, silly? What's she doing, Stony? You are a curious kitty, aren't you? Oh, you want to play, Stony? You want to play with your sister? Yeah. Hi, silly girl. Hi. What are you doing? Let me pet you? No, not yet. Okay, that's fine. You just hang out. Stony. You want to play, huh? You want to play with your sister, huh? Tell her to come down. We have a cat on a bookshelf. I guess cats really are meant for libraries. Come on, Star. Come play with Stony. This one's adventurous, that's for sure. What do you think, Stony boy? She's silly or what? Stony boy, my boy. My boy, my boy. You're a good boy. Yes, you are.